Wait, Green Lantern, can we get a spin back? I want to come in on the drop. Here I stand, never backing down. Put me in the ring with Pacquiao. I bet this featherweight don't have that bat to tap it now. Fuck the camera, my city, bring all the maddies out. Bucking out the back of the Camry at federales now. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to eat, cause 150 pounds looks sweet. Family crying, tired of them bricks flying through the window every week. But can't do shit cause I ain't built for the streets. Now all I got is these beats, so I'ma spaz out until my shit is banging, pull the rag out. My PMSing on this, pull the pad out. Fuck this track now, all I got is the track now. Motherfuckers trying to pull the cab out, fuck the jag out. Motherfucker. Hold on, can we pause it? Excuse me. I want to announce that I am formally going to stop saying motherfucker every 2 words. And that's a big announcement for me. Okay. Because I say motherfucker so much that I think I've embarrassed the people that invented that word. And yeah.
Exclusive.
Yeah, I'm really sorry that I just say motherfucker so much. I would love to make this announcement on Hip Hop Nation with Green Lantern and Boss Lady that motherfucker will come out my mouth like at least 1/3 less. That's hot. There we go. Where's the applause at, motherfucker? Not motherfucker, whatever the fuck. God damn it, this sucks.
We need
a motherfucker jar for you. A jar.
I put a penny, a quarter.
Nah, you getting show money, bro. You getting show money.
Hell yeah,
bro.
We putting $2 bills in that bitch now.
Okay.
Take it a little higher.
A 5?
Look out for Machine Gun Kelly. We definitely going to have him back here. I'm about to get in the studio with him. About to play a whole bunch of beats for him.
That mixtape is called Lace Up.
That mixtape, Lace Up. Get that shit. Yo, Sav, what's our countdown looking like? What we looking like over there?
It's looking like it's a wrap.
Oh, we got 9 seconds.
877-60 Hip Hop Invasion on Hip Hop Nation. Check us out next week, Monday night, 10 p.m. to midnight. Let's go.
You just experienced the invasion.